What's going on? What's going on? What is going on? Hey, this is Nori, the host of the Gliding on Twos YouTube channel, right? Hey, guess what I'm doing today? Bam! I'm gonna be hitting that road for a 742 mile one-way trip from South Carolina to New Jersey. Don't know how much I'm gonna record, but hopefully I get some good recording time in, and then we shall see. All right, we shall see. Gotta go up. I'm gonna visit some family, and we're gonna hit that road. We're gonna love it. We're gonna record it, and hopefully I'll bring y'all something good. So stay tuned. Well, as you see, I'm on the road, I'm on the highway, headed up to Jersey from South Carolina. So it's about 742 miles door to door, and it won't be too bad of a ride. On the way up, I'm mostly going to stick to the highway, so that way I can just get there and spend some good quality time with my family. And the reason I'm heading up there is because I haven't really went to Jersey in the last 3 years to just hang out and spend some good time with my parents and my brothers and my nieces and nephews up there. In quite a while. Like I said, in the last 3 years, I really haven't spent that quality time up there. So, let me see. So, in 3 years, since 2019, I've been to Jersey just 3 times. And all 3 times were because they were funeral related. So it wasn't really like I was, spending some good time. And they were turning birds. I would go up there just for the funeral and come right back home, So this time I'm going up there. There's no rhyme or reason except for spending that time with the folks and the brothers. Yep. So far I really haven't hit too much traffic. I mean, Columbia, of course, morning traffic with everybody going to work. I don't even know if you can hear me. It's really, really windy out here. Really gusty winds. But and I'm doing about 80. And that's okay. Gonna breeze on down this road. But yeah. So hopefully, I know on my way to Charlotte, more than likely I'm gonna hit that Charlotte traffic. I always hit that Charlotte traffic. So, but we'll see. I'll be back on the next stop, the next gas stop, or if I got something to say, I'll be back. Well, just like I said, I was gonna hit that Charlotte traffic. Oh Lordy. Never fails, man. I don't think it even matters what time you pass through here, unless you're passing through probably like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning. But other than that, look at this truck. Other than that, it's always traffic through here. It never fails. They're always doing something, I think Charlotte is just crowded. But yep. Never fails. These are the times where I kind of wish I could lane split over here, just like it's just like they do in California. It's legal over there, not so much here. I can do it, but the way these people drive over here, forget about it. They're liable to run you off the road on purpose just because you're getting ahead of them. Splitting down the highway. But yeah, the ride other than now ain't going too bad. Ruby's pretty smooth so far. But yeah, she's really smooth. You know, I just put some new rubber on her a couple weeks ago anyway, so she's got that going for her. Changed the oil up for this riding season. Aye, no hiccups so far except for I almost lost my camera. I'm rolling down the highway and I got my camera on, of course, on the selfie stick here, mounted to the handlebars. And, you know, I'm doing about 85, sometimes 90. And I guess the wind was just too much. And, boy, that thing just whoop, flopped down. And thankfully I caught it. Tightened her back up and she's good to go again. But enough of this traffic. I'll come back hopefully on my, I haven't stopped yet of course, but I'll come back on, we shall see. If I got something to say like I said the last time, or at my first gas stop. I'll see y'all then. Yep, look at that sign, look at that sign, look at that sign. Statesville. So now I'm embarking into RJ's neck of the woods. If you don't know who RJ is, that's 602 North. So hey RJ, I would hit you up and see if you wanted to grab a bite to eat, but you know I'm a man on a mission today. So I got to keep it moving. But next time, definitely, if I'm up in this area, I'll definitely hit you up and grab a bite to eat or something. Ride around, so that way you can show me around this neck of the woods of yours. Well, made it to my first stop here in Statesville, North Carolina. I probably rode about 146 miles through some traffic. Decided to just fuel up before I go to the mountains and give me something to drink for the road. And I ain't gonna spend too much time here. Just stretch out a little bit and keep it moving. Get refueled, had a Snickers bar. Now I'm ready to keep going.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts. Be free.
Alrighty, kind of windy out here. Hopefully I can hear me. I'm in Stallton, VA. About halfway complete. I got about roughly 378 miles to go. Not too bad at all. So far I've been riding for a little over 6 hours. And Ruby's still doing good. She's still doing good, man. No problems so far, no problems. A lot of wind. But what can you do? Hey, but keep driving on. Let's get back to it.
Let's go, let's be free. what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights.
Yeah, I've been on the road since 8 o'clock this morning. It's 6:30 now, 6:30 p.m. And I still got about, I would say, 3 hours to go. And it's taking me a little bit longer than I usually make this trip, and that's because of the wind. Now here in PA, it seems, well, as right now, it seems that the wind has calmed down a little bit. But boy, oh boy, I tell you what, that wind in Virginia, that was something crucial. Man, wind wanted to blow me back and forth off the road. All those crosswinds and through the mountains. Yeah, so I had to take it easy through there. You know, nice and easy. Stay alert, stay alive, and so that way I can make it to the destination. And that's it right there. Yo, what's going on? I'm still on this road trip. Just stopped for gas again. This is like, I don't know, my third or fourth time stopping for gas. I'm losing count. But I'm in PA, Pennsylvania, near Harrisburg. So I got about a good another 3 hours and some change to go, and I'll be in Jersey. You know, I ain't filming a whole lot because I've been concentrating on the road. But let's see if I bring you some evening shots. Stay up. What's going on? Hey, as you all can see, I'm back in my man cave, in my house, in my garage, you know, filming this outro for my ride up to Jersey video. You know, I got in kind of late. I was tired and excited all at the same time, just to be there and spend my quality time with my family, that I forgot to film the outro. So here it is. You know, I had a good ride going up. It was about actually 750 miles. I did it about 12 and a half, 13 hours. And of course, the return trip was just the same. It was really windy going up, a little cold, but hey, it is what it is. It was a good ride, and I love to do those long distance rides. I hope y'all, you know, enjoyed the video that I pieced together. I didn't take that many shots of the roads because, of course, it was highway. Highways are usually boring, but nonetheless, it was a fantastic trip up there and spending some of that good time with my family up there. All right. So that's all for this video. Stay tuned to next week's video. I bring you some footage from Port Jervis, New Jersey, and Hawks Nest. So stay tuned for that video coming up next week. Thank you for watching this one. If you liked it, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified for future videos coming up. And as always, enjoy your ride.